When I joined Benjamin Moore, I was a buyer. When I started to have contact with the contracts at that time, we were not having a single place to have everything available.
Our previous process involved a million different manual processes that had to be carried out via email, had to be tracked, and couldn't get lost in the shuffle of all of the other things.
I remember I thought that if the tool was really capable of doing what they were showing, it was going to be a huge change to our process.
Like any 140-year-old company, you have had to modernize many, many times. This is the second company that I've been fortunate enough to implement Ironclad at. Now you're doing it in one single, transparent, and trackable way, and you always know where you are in a process, whether you're the lawyer reviewing the contract or you're the customer waiting for the contract to be signed.
The communication between procurement and legal has been improving a lot.
The benefits of AI are that they are a tool that allow you to speed up the processes you already perform every day. I use Jurist for pretty much anything I can think of. Analyzing risk, using the prompts, but designing your own prompts is where it really begins to shine, because while you might have AI tools that exist and were given to you by your company, those aren't AI tools that are specifically for use with contracts. With Ironclad, I can do it myself. And if you can do it yourself, then that takes a lot of money and puts it back into your budget. It's built for people like me to get this process done more quickly and in a way that I can understand and configure. I can take any single template, from pressing the create button on that template to getting a finalized and signed contract within a week.
We are trying to be more proactive and less reactive. We are able to have a look into the things that are coming. We can see what contracts are expiring.
The ability to set up a system like this, to go through and create a workflow from A to Z, is an incredible skill to have, and it's an incredible skill that anyone in your legal department or your procurement department can acquire.
I believe this tool helps to avoid the perception of us as our blocker and evolving to be a real partner to the stakeholders.
And at the end of the day, having a software that's not just built to be modern, but built to stay modern, allows me to increase my efficiency each and every time they release a new product. It's just a million times better than any other process.